How to buy and sell on Dexscreener. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and select on this option that says Moonshot, because this is the exchange that we're going to be using. Then go to the top right and select on this button that says Connect. And from here, you guys can go ahead and connect to your Phantom wallet, which we do have right over here. And Phantom wallet is completely for free. It's an application that you guys can get on the App Store or the Google Play Store, or alternatively get it as a Google Chrome extension. Anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to make sure that you do log into your Phantom wallet like so, and then it is going to open up and you just need to enter in your password. So go ahead and just press on connect just like so, and then there you go, we are now connected to our wallet. Now from here, you guys can go ahead and select a crypto that you guys would like to purchase. Now again, this is not financial advice, but yeah, just make sure to go ahead and do your due diligence. So let's say, for example, we wanted to buy this one right over here. All we need to do is we need to go to the right menu and press on this button over here that does say buy. Unfortunately, I have insufficient funds, but if you do have more funds than me, then you guys should basically be able to purchase any cryptocurrency you want. And you guys could pick how much Solana you would actually like to purchase. So this is completely up to you. And at any point in time, you guys can go ahead and press on this button that says sell in order to sell your crypto. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.